It's the sneakery, baby.
Alright, so it's your boy G.Phresh with another sneakery. Yeah, that's the name, sneakery. Catchy, right? I'm here, I'm doing the icy sole for these Jordan 11 Concords. Probably the most iconic shoe of all time. Personally, best kick of all time. Let's take a look at the shoe. Notice the shoe got some stains. So right now you see some heavy yellowing. Man, it's almost damn near orange. I know some people like the look after a while, you know, a semi-yellow, but then it gets to a point where it just looks really bad. Sometimes these shoes go like $300, $400, so you...
Psych! That's the wrong number!
really want to protect your investment. You don't want your investment to just go down the drain. And notice, pan leather's not that shiny. So we're gonna bring these bad boys back, you know what I mean?
Yeah, boy.
And I just apply it. Real light coats, nothing crazy. No, I don't sole swaps or kick at all. I literally do this little process.
That's a great idea.
Iconic shoe of all time. Gave me the most iconic headache of all time.
Oh my God.
All right, so let's start off here first. Number one, when you're dealing with any shoe that's old things from old past can come up and bite you in the behind. Well, say for instance, you get a blood stain. You might get the blood stain right here. You get it out, scrub. The blood may seep through into the shoe. If you wear some colorful socks, had red dye, orange dye, after years and years of you just wearing basically the mesh, this is just basically collecting all that data, all that dirt. That stuff could really stay. You can see the discoloration right here, but here, this is what the original color is. I tried all types of natural methods to get it out, but it wasn't coming out. Last option, which gotta paint the shoe.
I am the one, the way you're trying.
So good thing I had these additives. The first additive that I have is Too Thin. Too Thin is what keeps the paint that I'm using, which I have upside down so all the paint can go down. I use a flat white. Oh, my fingernails look freaking disgusting, bro. Because you know what? When you wash, your fingernails, I don't know, do your fingernails grow?
That's true.
I don't know. But anyways, you use the Too Thin, right? You add this additive with this, which is a fabric medium additive. So the paint is very thin. That means it's gonna be very flexible. It's not gonna crack up and dry. Remember I said it had the discoloration here, and then you can see the difference. This is icy now. Look at that. Remember all this was brown and orange and yellow. Yeah, you might got your little hint and stuff, but remember, it's a 10-year-old shoe. Look at that. And that's what really people gonna be looking at, this part right here. Not much at the bottom, but even the bottom is icy. Even with the dirt I had on the top, look at that, I got rid of that.
Wave. I'm in it for keepsake. In the field with the cleat lace. Beat freak with the bare face and a slick tongue, that's what she say. She look good, she a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back. She bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average, I padded my stats. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010, yeah, LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it. Cross need to laugh more. I keep it 100 on dashboard. The live